Hello, class. My name is Andrew Finney, and I'll be talking about ethics. Why must we discuss online ethical norms? Ethics is something that educators often have to teach their students in a traditional classroom setting. For example, Wendy Fishman suggests that students working for a high school newspaper were able to develop an understanding of ethical norms when it came to writing and producing content. This does not translate as well online because students have little to no adult guidance when they are in their own online participatory cultures. One way we as educators can help ethical norms for students is to challenge them to think about the consequences of their words and what they choose to share with the world. Their posts that they may intend to be for their friends or family often can be accessed by the public. And if we remind them of this, they can learn what is expected of their online behavior. Ethics. What to consider. Why is it important for educators to teach these ethical norms to students? The line between private and public activity has become very blurred in an online social media. As mentioned earlier, a student might post something that they did not intend to be seen by everyone, and depending on what they share online, it could affect their future professional opportunities. Educators often feel it is their duty to protect their students when in a traditional classroom. The internet and social media is now a place that educators have little control over, but they still need to teach and protect their students, even in these online environments. My take on online ethics. Ethics are just as important in an online environment as they are in a traditional setting. I think teaching ethical norms to our students is a teacher's responsibility, whether it be in the classroom or online. We might not have control over what our students can access, but we can be the soft guiding hand that show them the benefits and the consequences of their online posts. I think it is important for teachers to also present themselves online in an ethical manner if they choose to use social media. Their students or others might be watching, and it's important to be a good role model, not only in the classroom setting, but outside of it as well. So, in conclusion, don't stop being a teacher when you leave the classroom. Thank you for watching and have a great day.